Hi, so this is a quick video which is to answer one of the comment on YouTube I got yesterday. Siddhi, this video is for you. If you don't have crimper, so what can be done? Or else how are you going to make the crimper effect which we get like this? So how can we get this effect if you don't have a crimper tool? So there is no need to worry. We have a normal comb at our home, and make sure that your comb is clean, and always use the dense portion of the comb. Then what you need to do is just insert your strip the way I am inserting, and then you will get the zigzag effect of the crimper. So just insert it like this, then like this, then like this, like this. You will get these loops from both the sides. Wait, I'll show you. You will get this loop from this side also and this side also. So while making these loops, you just need to press so that we will get the dense part of the comb, and for the perfect zigzag formation of the strip, and just continue it. Make sure your strip is quite thick, not very thin or with low GSM. So just pull your strip a bit. It is just to get depth, nothing else, and just repeat it. Like this, and just press it from both the sides and remove it. So there you go. So here you can cut, and you can use this portion. This strip which I am using is around 130 GSM. So I've got this nice dense or thickness. So you can definitely get this zigzag as crimper. Now here I would like to tell that this strip is having much depth because I'm using this comb. If you are using this comb, it will not give this type of zigzag depth, because these bristles are quite away from each other. Like you can see many gaps. So when you are using a comb for this type of thing, you just take care your comb is having a dense portion of the bristles, and they will give a perfect zigzag strip as crimper. So thank you so much for your comment, and I like the comment, and I actually worked on it. And before this, I have never tried anything like this, because from starting only I was using crimper. So thank you, Siddhi, for this comment. And if any one of you who is watching this video have any sort of questions related to quilling or business of quilling, then you can just drop me a message or comment on any social media platform, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can just drop message on Facebook page. So I will get back to you. So thank you so much for the comment, and I hope that I have answered and you like this video. Thank you.